Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Many times there's a recipe that calls for grated mozzarella or blue cheese. For my foolproof pie dough, I like to grate in butter. These are soft ingredients that can be quite frustrating to manage, but here I have a great trick for you. So my friends, let's get cooking. The first ingredient I'll be using for this trick is butter. So what I did is I placed the butter in the freezer until it got hard. Now that it's frozen, I simply grate the amount that I need. One thing to keep in mind with butter is to do it fairly quick as it doesn't stay hard for very long. Fortunately, it's easier with cheeses. Just like we did earlier, after it's frozen and hard, grate what you need for your recipe. I always keep mozzarella, blue cheese or others in my freezer, so when I need some, it's there ready to go. As you saw in this video, this kitchen method will ease the task without the frustration. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!